Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you extreme car swivel lifter. I will guide you the movement that lift which moving your chain in car simulator. If you like this, then start. I hope this will help you to drifting in car simulator.